Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install MSI apps as a standard user using PolicyPak Least Privilege Manager. So here's an example. This is a garden variety MSI. Actually, Skype comes as a .exe and as a .msi if you want. So just in this example here, you can see as a standard user, if you try to install this MSI, well, you are not allowed to do that. So what we're going to do is use PolicyPak Least Privilege Manager and specify a specific location that this is going to be sanctioned in. So let's go ahead and check this out. So for all of our sales team, let's go ahead and do pplpm MSI install for Skype. So we'll go ahead, right click, edit this guy, and we'll dive down. You can do this on the computer or the user side. I'm going to do it on the user side. And under Least Privilege Manager here, I'm going to select Add New Executable Policy. And in order to do what we're doing here, we need to do what's called a combo rule. And the combo rule is two pieces. One is the path, and we're going to elevate MSI exec. And the command line argument is going to specify which file we want to elevate, which is going to be the Skype install. So we'll go ahead and click Next. And the first condition is path, and we'll go ahead and add a file. And this is the MSI exec piece. So you browse for C Windows System 32 MSI exec.exe. Okay, and it will populate automatically system root system 32 MSI exec. So that's the first piece. That's what we're going to elevate. Then the command line argument, we're going to use what's called strict equality, which says it has to be this exact command line or it's not going to work. So that's going to be /i, and then we're going to, which is for the install. Then we're going to put in quotes the actual name of the application and where we want to do it. On the desktop will work, but you have to put the full path to the desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy to c:\temp, just so we've got a guaranteed location we know this thing's going to run from. So I'll go ahead and copy it to c:\temp, and it's called Skype setup.msi. Okay, so that's c:\temp Skype setup. Whoops, not there. You go. .msi, and I got to spell Skype right. SKYPE Skype setup.msi. Okay, so notice what I've done here. We did MSI exec as the path rule, okay, and the command line arguments are /i, space quote, the exact location and name of the MSI, and we're using strict equality, which means that it has to be in this exact order. Go ahead and click Next. We'll go ahead and run just this with elevated privileges, and we're going to say let Skype run in c:\temp only. For install. Okay, so go ahead and click Finish here, and we should be locked and loaded. So just to show you what's going on here, let me go ahead and run GP update first. Okay, let group policy finish its thing, and once it's finished, I'm going to run Skype twice, the Skype install twice. I'm going to start it first from the desktop, which is not a sanctioned location, and then I'm going to specify try the running in the temp directory, which is a sanctioned location. So let's do the not sanctioned location first. So here's Skype setup. We go ahead and click Next. Go ahead and say OK, and you can see right there. There's the install, and with the UAC prompt, and that will not let us go. Okay, that's not the sanctioned location. But now we have a rule in place that says it is OK in c:\temp. Here's Skype setup.msi that we have in c:\temp. Least Privilege Manager is now saying that it is sanctioned, so I'll go ahead and click Next here, and you can see the UAC prompt is not there in install anymore, and boom, it does its thing. So that is how you can install MSI applications using PolicyPak Least Privilege Manager today. Hope this helps you out and you're ready to get started with a trial, and we're here to help you out. Thanks so much.